Your windows play a bigger role in your home's comfort and efficiency than you may realize. In a place like Clinton Township, where hot summers and chilly winters create demanding conditions, high-performing vinyl windows can make a noticeable difference in energy savings, indoor comfort, and overall home value. But how do you know when it's time to replace your existing windows? Here are the most common signs homeowners should watch for. Your energy bills keep increasing. One of the first red flags is a steady rise in your heating and cooling costs. As windows age, they lose their ability to insulate your home effectively. Drafts and weakened seals allow outside temperatures to influence your indoor climate, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. If you've already ruled out other causes and still notice higher energy bills every season, outdated windows may be the culprit. You feel drafts or temperature swings near windows. Stand next to your windows on a windy day. Do you feel cold air seeping in during winter or warm air during summer? Drafty windows mean your home is losing conditioned air. New vinyl windows with well-constructed frames and insulated glass can greatly reduce drafts and help maintain a more consistent indoor temperature throughout the year. You notice condensation between the panes. If moisture appears inside the glass of double or triple pane windows, it means the window's seal has failed. Once that seal breaks, the insulating gas escapes, and the window's energy-efficient performance drops significantly. Foggy windows are a common and unmistakable sign that replacement is needed. Your windows are difficult to open or close. Windows should operate smoothly and safely. When they start sticking, refusing to latch, or requiring extra effort to open, it's usually due to frame warping, hardware failure, or age-related deterioration. Besides being inconvenient, difficult to operate windows can also pose safety risks, especially in emergency situations where quick exit is necessary. Outside noise seems louder than before. As windows wear down, they become less effective at blocking outdoor noise. If you suddenly feel like you're hearing every car, neighbor conversation, or dog bark, your old windows may have lost their sound dampening capabilities. Modern vinyl windows with insulated glass and tighter seals can significantly improve indoor peace and quiet. Visible damage or decay on window frames. Cracked, warped, or rotting frames are more than cosmetic issues. Damaged frames can lead to air leakage, moisture intrusion, and poor insulation. Vinyl windows are designed to resist weathering, but older materials, especially wood, can deteriorate over time. If the frames around your windows look worn or feel soft to the touch, it's a strong sign they need replacement. Your home still has single-pane windows. Many older Clinton Township homes were built with single-pane windows. These provide virtually no insulation and struggle to keep up with Michigan's seasonal extremes. Upgrading to modern vinyl windows with multiple panes and energy-efficient coatings dramatically improves comfort and reduces heating and cooling expenses. Your home looks dated or lacks curb appeal. New vinyl windows don't just improve performance, they elevate the look of your home. Faded, chipped, or outdated window styles can drag down your curb appeal. Fresh, modern vinyl windows provide a clean, attractive look and can instantly update your home's exterior. Upgrade to better comfort, efficiency, and value. Recognizing these signs early can help you avoid costly energy waste and prevent more serious home damage. Whether your windows are drafty, difficult to use, or simply past their prime, replacing them with high-quality vinyl windows is one of the smartest investments you can make in your Clinton Township home. With improved energy efficiency, smoother operation, enhanced security, and updated style, new windows offer long-lasting comfort and value you'll notice every day.